Sorry. Ay, hi guys. I think nagka-problema. Nagka-problema ba? Hindi ba naangat yung live kanina. So we have 40 viewers. Wala pong live streaming, walang sound. Sorry about that. This new feature kasi sa YouTube problema. But anyways, good morning everyone. Today oil and gold went up a lot because of the happenings in the internationally, di ba? If you've read the news, binomba po ang mga oil, what do you call this? Oil plants, yung mga nagdidig ng oil sa Middle East. So that's gonna cause shortage of supply. And then when there is shortage of supply, umaangat po ang presyo ng asset na yon. Okay? So law of supply and demand. Jaime Villaflor, good morning. Send message for Kia invitation. Thank you. Oh yeah, sent you a reply today. Thank you so much for the invitation. We'll plan it out. Okay, yun, ang saya ng mundo. Cheers. Yeah, ano po mangyayari sa international market? Whenever these kinds of events happen, because there is instability due to the impending war, stocks tend to go down, right? Most probably babagsak ang stocks. Ang stocks. And then indices tend to go up. That's why gold and oil, if napansin nyo kanina opening, lumipad. Good job sa mga nakapondo, lumipad po si oil and gold. So enjoy your earnings. But I strongly recommend not trading it for quick gains, especially if hindi nyo mapapanood ang market, because stop losses are disabled, especially in eToro, right? Kasi po, dinidisable yan because of volatility. Volatility kasi, if ever mag-stop loss kayo ng 5%, right? Magiging walang kwenta yan kasi the stocks are very volatile. It can go down to 10% before going up again. So, marami pong pera masasayang. So, konting ingat sa trading niyo po ngayon. But where there is volatility, there is money. So, maghanap kayo ng bottoms whenever it does a pullback. It's gonna be a massive pullback and it's gonna give you a massive bounce din naman pag nakuha ninyo. So, it's very good to trade now for those who are good at trading already. Hopefully, nakapag-join kayo sa day trading seminar last week, the one with Mr. Jed Villardo, because that would have been a very big help for you guys if you wanna trade now. I strongly do not recommend it now because very high risk ang trading ngayon, but very high reward din naman. Okay? Because of the volatility. Konti lang ang i-play ninyo as much as possible. Wag malaki ang pera. If you cannot watch the market, then don't force it. PSE, because of this event, most probably is gonna drop today. Why? Because foreign investors tend to turtle up, meaning magkukumkum sila ng pera, hindi sila maglalabas ng pera pag ganitong may instability. And we are highly dependent on foreign investors. So sadly, most probably may hirapan si PSEI na mag-breakout sa 8,000. Ang ganda sana ng galaw na ni PSEI but there are events like this that we cannot control. So baka mahirapan si PSEI umangat. With that, I strongly recommend na ang strategy natin ngayon is not going to be into trading na position trading na aggressive. We have to turtle up also, follow what the foreign investors are doing. Maghanap ng mga good stocks na nasa baba. Just buy it now if you want to, and then if it goes further down, just buy more. Accumulation is the best strategy when it comes to this kind of market. So again, konting ingat, okay? So that's for the introduction. Let's go to a few comments. Babasahin po natin. Guys, today is gonna be a short episode lang because I'm gonna be busy today. I have a few picks for today. Magandang mga nasa baba na pwede nating bodegahin. Yan. Kasi bodega ang strategy natin ngayon. Okay, remember that. Air Plata, hi Sir Lloyd, good morning. Lakas makatama ni oil. Tama. Sir, thank you na madami dahil sa insights mo. Gain ako kay GWPH and J&J and Netflix. Very good. Sobrang helpful po ng guidance and tutorial mo. More power, sir. God bless. Congratulations, AR. Yes, pumasok rin ako kay Netflix last Friday and we are earning already on those positions. So, nakapag-take profits na ako kay GWPH because of AR. Si AR po nag-ask. So, if hindi niya mo tinanong, hindi ko nakuha yon. So, we were gaining GWPH already. In Johnson's & Johnson's, hindi ako nakapasok, but it was still a win. So, congratulations, AR. Sir, insights po kay Microsoft and AVGO. Microsoft, okay pa rin naman si Microsoft overall. It's just that it might go down today because of stocks nga. It's gonna be there's gonna be a problem with stocks. So, ayan. GWPH already took profits. Amazon still okay. Baba, medyo mali yung pagkapasok kay Baba. But yeah, we're sorting it out. Around 3% magka-cut loss na ako dyan. Yan. Sino yun? MSFT. I'm still thinking MSFT is still gonna go up because overall, Microsoft is still a good company. Ang kagandahan kasi Microsoft is you just take it for long term si Microsoft. I strongly recommend Microsoft for long term. Kasi po, kahit magloloko sila President Trump, akit din yan. Kasi ang ganda pa rin ng earnings ni Microsoft. All over the world, halos lahat ng computer kailangan ng Microsoft. Kaya napakaganda po ng Microsoft na company. Joel Igares, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning din. AVGO nga pala, tanong ni AVGO. AVGO. Ayan, nagpo-pull back. Antay ka lang ng bounce, right? If it bounce, actually, it already started bouncing at MA20. This is the reason why I love MA20. This is usually where stocks bounce. That's why I want you to watch my MA20 video. Baka magtuloy-tuloy ang bounce. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy ang bounce, yes, you can test it out, right? Joel Igares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning then. Thank you so much. Jal Villagracia, sir, inside silver, will price go up to 18 today? Si silver, I can't say. Pero ang mga commodities ngayon, umaakyat. So, mukhang sasama siya. Yeah, there's a good bounce for today. So, sumama si silver sa commodities na umakyat kasama nila gold. So, yeah, I think this is gonna go up also. XRP, Villa Garcia, your thoughts on XRP? XRP naman, still very stable at the support. Ang problema kay XRP, ayaw gumalaw eh. Right, nasa baba, ang bagal gumalaw. But this is a good support area for XRP. And look at the Bollinger Bands, very stable price already. So you know that this price is stable right here. And when there's stability, you tend to test the support. This is the best time to support XRP actually. Okay? And umaakit na ang momentum niya. So that's a good sign for XRP. Yeah, this is a good find. Good job, Giles Villagracia. Right? There's momentum in it, a very stable price. What more could you ask for? Argel Mendoza, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Grabe po angat ng gold and all. Yes, dahil po yan sa gulo nangyayari ngayon. Tommy Escobedo, good morning po, coach, sa lahat ng viewers. But wala pong live streaming at wala pong sound? Nagka-problema kanina. Unlike the old version kasi ng YouTube, when you go live, when I click on my streaming device, pag click ko ng live, magla-live na kaagad siya. Dito, 2 beses mo pa pipindutin. Click ako ng live sa device ko and then mag-click pa ako ng live sa YouTube. And then I failed to press the live. Kaya medyo matagal. Pasensya na. Hello, Sir Lloyd. This is from Kenji. Hello, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasili po kay APX, FNI. APX and FNI. APX and FNI. We're gonna start a discussion at around 8:40, okay? And I'm gonna give you my recommendations for today at 8:40 in the morning. And then, let's see if we still have time. I have to stop at around 9 because meron pa ako importanteng lakad ngayon. So, yeah. APX, with gold rising up, and these are miners, I think it will go up also for today. Abangan natin si APX kasi grabe ang angat ni gold. And usually, that affects APX. This might go up, okay? So yeah, you have a support right here, at least 1.19. That's the best support. Hopefully, makakasakay pa tayo. Why not? Let's test it out because of the volatility. In theory, this should go up. So, we have a hunch. Test it out. If we're wrong, just cut your losses. Ganun lang. Okay? APX and then FNI. Si FNI, may market na si FNI. This was the support we're talking about kay FNI. Medyo mataas na si FNI, but if you can get in near that support, that's the best entry point for FNI. Yun. Magandang umaga, Coach. This is Alice. KPPI and Meg, please. Si KPPI lumipad na di ba? KPPI lumipad na, did a breakout with this good price action. Breakout strategy if you still want to get in KPPI. Right? I cannot say if it's gonna go up and continue kasi wala pa tayong technical analysis indicators dyan. But price action won't lie. So if you still want to get in, breakout will be a best strategy for KPPI should you want to get in. Then si Meg naman, market na si Meg when we recommended it on the bounce. I think pwede pa. Sakin nyo lang on the uptrend line. Gotcha legend girl. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. What's your take on IRC? IRC is in one of my recommendations for today. IRC is a buy already for me. Right? Just follow this trend line kay IRC. Isa yan sa mga recommendations ko. Okay? Recommended IRC here and so far so good. Ang ganda pa rin ng climb ni IRC overall. So yes. Asa na ako? Carlo Turingan, good morning. Edward Vince, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay DMC. Nga pala guys, I promised you a magdodraw sana tayo ng winners for the eToro. Sino nag-fund using my account and funded this September. Since short po ang time ko ngayon, we're gonna move the draw tomorrow. So you still have until today para mag-fund, para maka-join po kayo. We're gonna be giving out 8 winners this month ng tig to 2,500 each for those who created the account under my link and funded this September. So abangan niyo po bukas. Don't forget to register. Importante po mag-register kayo sa sa promotion. Andyan po sa video description. Pinost ko po ito sa Billionaires Club. May registration link po dyan for the promotion. Bukas po tayo magdodraw kasi limited ang time ko ngayon. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay DMC Alco. DMC is in my list. Alco, I already recommended that a few days back. And it's still at support. So that's still good to go. For me, it's still good to go si Alco. Okay? Pwede pang bilhin yan. Actually, nirecommend ko dito si Alco. And then, bumalik sa support. And then, there it is. Sumakit na. So, congratulations. I think aakit na ito. It's still good to go si Alco. Pwede pa. DMC, we'll talk about that later. Sa international market naman, you're looking at XOM. Uy, ganda. Uy, ganda ng move na to kay ExxonMobil. This stock is on an uptrend. This is momentum right here. We have a resistance right here. Baka pag nag-breakout yan, that's the best entry point. Best sana nito, this pullback right here and then bounce ka agad. So lang, hirap na hulihin, di ba? But, guys, ito yung technical analysis na tinuturo ko sa inyo lagi. This is right here. Itong pagbagsak na ito ng presyo. And then there is this bullish divergence. That was a very good sign. There's the support of the divergence. That was the best entry point. So I hope natutunan nyo na po yan. Right? So in the future, you'll know how to spot these kinds of movements. Especially for good companies with this kind of setup, that's a buy. Okay? Huwag nyo po kakalimutan yan. Isa yan sa pinaka-paborito kong technical analysis. Inuulit-ulit ko po yan araw-araw. Okay? Alco, XOM, Chevron, and FedEx sa US market. Chevron. Hindi ko alam si Chevron. CVX yan sa kanya. Parang cervix. CBX. Okay, this has finished its downtrend. Same technical analysis sinasabi ko sa inyo. Diba? And then there's that support. So, ang daming buy signal nito. This is very good. And this is already on a reversal. Just follow the trend line for this. Best if, eto, maganda. May flag pattern. If this does a breakout, that's the best entry point for CVX. CVX and FedEx. FedEx Corp. Ayan. FedEx Corp. Alright, same. Pababa. Divergence on the RSI. Then there's the support. So, I tell you, this is a very useful technical analysis, especially sa mga tulad ko naghahanap ng mga bottoms lagi. This is a good setup right here. I want you to master the setup. Ulit-ulitin ko po yan. Let's wait for the pullback and bounce kay FedEx. Alright, so Ronald Ray Tomay, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-insights kay Jerry. Si Jerry, kamusta ka na Jerry? Mukhang pababa pa si Jerry. Let's see if it will create the support right here. Kaso nga lang, medyo mukhang heavy si Jerry. I don't want to recommend Jerry for today. Jaime Villaflor, good morning sir. Send a message for Korea invitation. Yes, let's talk about it. Today, I still have an appointment after, but yeah, October nyo po gusto. We'll plan ahead, right, for October, okay? Ang saya ng mundo from Darren Boa. Chris Canilan, good morning Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Erickson, Tech, PPG, Alco, APL, Lodi, thanks, you're welcome. Si Tech, mustahin nga natin si Tech. Alright, si Tech malapit na sa support. So, let's see if it will bounce at support. Pag nag-bounce yan, definitely a buy. That's gonna be a very good divergence buy at support for Tech. Right? Abang ng bounce, and then if it bounces, enter Tech. It can be at the end of the day today. Pwede nyo pong pasukin yan pag nag-green yan. PPG, mukhang wala na tayong momentum eh. We're playing inside the Bollinger Band, so I don't want to recommend that while it's up there. Alco, nadaanan na natin. APL, right, so APL pullbacks, right? This is challenging. I cannot say what will happen to APL. Mukhang manghuhula-hula lang tayo ngayon. Best is follow this trend line for APL. Alco, Edna Sotomayor, sir, bakit date mo is 9/14, September 16 na today? Alright, sorry. Let me edit the dates. 16. Thank you so much. Right, dapat 16 yan. Right, Williams, Sinanggote, sir, insights kay PLC. Thank you. I was looking at PLC earlier. Alright, mukhang okay naman sa PLC and then pa rin sa support eh. Right, overall, still a support. We have flag pattern, best entry, either this support or breakout. So, pili ka lang depending on the movement today and your risk appetite. Okay? So, you have to watch that. Jerwin Lee says, Sir Lloyd, what would you suggest kay ISM? Recommended ko kay ISM long term eh. I think they're gonna be doing good. The government is helping the company, and that's always a good sign for ISM. We have an uptrend line right here. Best entry is MA20, pero ang problema natin dito, if you're for long term, you don't really care of the short-term movement. This is just a short-term movement. Kung naghahanap ka ng breakout support, meaning short-term movement ang tinitingnan mo. Okay? For long term, I strongly recommend going long term for this stock. You just buy some now. If it goes further down, you just keep buying more. Ang hirap na maghabol ngayon, especially nakalipad na siya. I recommended ISM a few times here already sa bottom. And yun, lumipad na nga si ISM. I recommended it again here. This is the best entry point kung gusto nyo ng short-term movement. Diyan sa support na yan. Ben Moneda. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Insights kay Tech. Salamat. We just covered Tech. Sinlord, good entry rin ba kay Meg, sir? Pwede pa si Meg ngayon. Erickson, pa shoutout po sa magandang asawa ko, Michelle Ann. Salamat, Lodi. You're welcome, Michelle Ann. Good morning. JC Lazaro, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po si SLI Alco IDC. Thanks. Right. Sorry, Jim, yung dates, inayos ko na. It should be 9:16. Alright, so it's 8:41. I'm gonna go to my picks for today. Here are my picks. Actually, medyo marami siya eh. Kasi ang daming stocks na nasa baba eh. I'll just cut this to a few sa mga favorite ko ngayon. So, si MRSGI, ABG, pwede. MRSGI, kasi, pwede si MRSGI. Breakout strategy for MRSGI. Did recommend MRSGI here and lumipad na, nag-breakout. That's why I'm recommending it again. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok noon. Ni-recommend ko yan. ABG. Yan, ABG kasi may support sa ABG and that's a higher RSI support. So, that's good for ABG. AEV naman, si AEV kaka-pullback lang. Kaka-breakout lang. It did a breakout on this, on this ascending triangle pattern. Paborito ko ngayon si DMW. If you're gonna ask me ano mga paborito ko, sila DMW. Right, it's giving us good price action right now si DMW. DNL, one of my favorites. Umakyat na si DNL. So, congratulations sa mga nagbodega. Ilang araw kaya nire-recommend. Ayan. It's starting to touch the upper Bollinger Band. So, we're starting to see momentum already. Okay, so DNL is already good to go sa mga nag-aantay ng mga confirmations. DNL, today is the best time to enter. DD naman, si DD, good price action din for Double Dragon. So, yeah, while the stock is still cheap overall, I will recommend DD. Si IRC today, kaka-pullback lang in bounce. SMPH, yan, eto, na mga good stocks na nasa baba pa. Ngayon, si SMPH is still at the bottom. I wanna recommend this one right here. We have a good support for our SM and umaangat na po yung RSI niya. So, that's momentum right there. Best time to buy as SMPH is now. PRMX naman, right, it's playing the MA20 and then starting to go up already. So there should be volatility for today. But kung gusto nyo po, ang tops ko is gonna be DMW, DNL, DD, and SMPH. Then last day si DMC, nagsisimula na umakyat. Ilang araw ko po ito na-recommend sa inyo dito sa support. So dapat na ano na yan. Recommending DMC today kasi there's volume. Tanggalin ko lang si DMC, right? I want to remove DMC because I want to keep the list short. Dapat noon pa pinasok nyo na si DMC. So, I think kasi aakyat na because of the volume already starting to go up. But we've already entered it here. Most probably, pinasok nyo na rin kasi nirecommend ko na yan noon pa sa support na yan. So, those are my picks for today. I'll go back to the comments. Before we go to that, again guys, yung promotion natin still ongoing. Should be picking the winners for today pero nagmamadali po ako ngayon, so bukas na lang. Right? Tomorrow we're gonna have a draw for those who created an eToro account using MyLink and loaded up this September. And September 29 po, right? That's the end of the month. I'm gonna be in Manila. I'm gonna teach you how to trade, the basics of trading, everything you need to know to understand trading. So ito po yung stepping stone nyo from being a newbie to becoming a position trader. So if you want to learn how to trade, how I do my trades, how I do my picks, join the seminar. Halos libre lang po yan. Just 500 pesos just for commitment's sake. Ginawa na po namin yung libre doon pero nag-fail siya nung libre. Right? Kasi yung mga tao nagre-register, akala namin puno kasi walang commitment. Hindi pumunta kasi wala namang mawawala sa kanila. So it's just to really share the commitment, at least man lang for the venue and everything. Expenses, 500 lang po. Napakaganda po ng lugar. It's gonna be at Ascot Hotel at BGC. Right? So, social po yan. And thanks eToro for sponsoring it and making us, helping us give knowledge for free. Right? Share knowledge for free. So, eToro has been very generous. Check out eToro if you haven't created an eToro account yet. Please use my link. If you create the link kasi using my link, you'll be able to join the promotions na binibigay ni eToro under me. And ayun, that's the biggest part, and basically you are helping the channel in return. So yun lang po ang hiling namin. You can help the channel without spending money. All you need to do is invest, diba? Ganun lang. So thank you so much. All right, September 29, I'll see you there in Manila. Hope to see you there. Sa mga naka-join na, pwede kayong join ulit kung gusto nyo, or you can invite your friends. Jinky Kaseka, ayun, meron pala si JC Lazaro, Sir SLI, si Santa Lucia Land. Maganda yung galaw ni SLI kaso nga lang, it's already been touching the lower Bollinger Band, so I don't like that movement. There's a support here, kaso nga lang, I don't focus on stocks na nakalipad na po yan. So, wag na po tayo ma-FOMO. Napakamahal na po ni Santa Lucia actually ngayon. So, Alco, there's a support for Alco right here. This is the best entry point for Alco. Tinanggal ko si Alco sa lista ko, but alam niyo po yan. Actually, recommended ko ngayon si Alco, kaso nga lang, na-recommend ko na yan noon So, hindi ko na lang linagay sa lista. But still, good to buy. IDC request. Let's see if it will confirm a support here at this area. But we're already seeing lower lows and lower highs. So, konti ingat lang muna kay IDC kasi medyo bearish pattern ang pinapakita niya. Jinky Kaseka, NRCP. Recommended NRCP a few days back. NRCP, kamustahin nga natin yung position ni NRCP. I think nag-pullback ito Yan, nag-pullback ng konti si NRCP, but recommended it here. Because of this price action, I always repeat this price action to you guys. NRCP, hirap na ngayon. It's a challenging position. Hopefully, you can still get a pullback and bounce kay NRCP. It's either that or breakout na lang for NRCP. Breakout na lang for NRCP before you want to get in if hindi pa rin nakapasok. Let me double check my audio. Okay naman ang audio, di ba? Kasi hindi ko naririnig I don't have anyone to listen to me. So, I'm not really sure if you are hearing me. Saan ako? NRCP and Apo. Ito si Apo. Na-recommend ko to noon sa MA20. So lang, MA20 still sustaining, hindi pa gumagalaw. Let's see if it will continue the trend kay Apo. It's still above MA20. If you want to test it out, use the MA20 as your support. SSP from Rob Legaspi. SSP. Let's check out SSP. Very good. So semicon. Okay, we have an uptrend for semicon. Get in near this uptrend line as much as possible. So dyan po ang best entry for SSP. ISM and ATN. ATN is starting to go up already. I already recommended ATN here. Starting to go up. This is the best entry point for ATN. Okay, nirecommend ko yan Thursday. This is Friday, Thursday. No, not Thursday. I think Thursday, nirecommend ko yan. Nirecommend ko yan ito sa green na ito. So, it's starting to go up already. Congratulations sa mga nakapasok. ATN, get in near on 1.20 as much as you can. ISM, ATN. Arvin Tikar, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Fundamental and technical insights po kay ISM. Si ISM, this is, I cannot say the fundamentals of ISM because we don't have the numbers yet. This is speculative because of the third telco si ISM. But I think they're gonna do well. You can see their commitment naman. And it's backed up by the government. So, with those bases, I think it's good. SSI naman, SSI kasi is affected by our inflation. Napakababa ng inflation ngayon. And look at that. After the inflation review, umaakyat si SSI, di ba? 1.7 for last month. Kaya umaakyat si SSI after that. So, that's very good for SSI. Technical analysis-wise, this is a good pullback and bounce. Kaso nga lang malapit tayo sa resistance. So, best to enter on a breakout na lang for SSI. Next is... saan ako nawawala ako? Dami kasing comments eh. And Tech. Yan, si Tech. Medyo shaky po sa fundamentals ni Tech eh. With the earnings wise naman, medyo shaky. But overall, Tech is a good company. Technical analysis wise, antay tayo ng bounce. If that does a bounce, that's a very good signal to buy Tech. Right. Hafa Aday, good morning from Macau. Good morning, Hafa. Richard Pax, good morning. Sir Lloyd, FLI, thanks. Sa FLI, kamusta na? Nag-pull back to ng bongge. Right, and then there it is. Oh, it's stabilizing here at this area. So we have a short-term support right here. Best to enter there. Overall, FLI still cheap. Right? Okay pa ito si Philinvest. Yan, a good company. Adrian Balboa, sir, paano mag-fund sa eToro? Ang pinakamadali pong way mag-fund sa eToro is Paymaya. Right? Kung ayaw nyo po ng hassle ng credit card and everything, Paymaya, once you have already confirmed your Paymaya, your Paymaya, meron po siya ibibigay sa inyo na digital credit card. May credit card number po dyan, tsaka CVV for you. And then you just load it, add funds as if you're using a credit card. Kung may laman po yung Paymaya ninyo, dun po, magagamit niyo po yan. Ang ginagamit ko po is Metrobank ko, debit card ng Metrobank. And just talk to the bank to remove the daily transaction limit and allow it for international funding, international transactions, and ayun, I use my Metrobank. It's very easy that way. Next is Gray Pagalan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. ISM, we just covered that already. AEV is in my picks ngayon na NetMill. Paborito mo talaga si AEV na net. The Shy MRC po, sir. It's MRC. Let's check out MRC. Oh, sorry. MRC. Right, so MRC Allied, we have a strong support for MRC right here. This is the best entry point for MRC. Kung kaya nyo po pumasok dyan. Overall, it's still very cheap, playing at its support level. So, okay pa naman yung presyo niya as of the moment. Kung hindi kayo makapasok dito sa pinakababa, that's still a good price right there if magsimula siya mag-support dyan. Adrian Balboa, sir, paano mag-fund sa eToro? We covered that already. Jaina Moyano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights kay IRC. IRC is a buy for me today. Si Meg, okay pa rin. Si MPI, yan, kamustahin ko nga si MPI. Naka-long term ako kay MPI kaya hindi ko tinitingnan yung chart eh. Si MPI, we have a pullback and bounce kay MPI. Kaso nga lang, lower highs ang pinapakita. Pag nag-bounce si MPI, that will be confirming the support. So, that's a good entry point for MPI kung gusto niyo pong pumasok. Becca Tangan, good morning. LHC. Si LHC, medyo nakalipad na. Recommended LHC a few days back here at the support and even here. So, dalawang beses ko na-recommend and then lumipad na. Mukhang magpo-pullback si LHC, so I cannot recommend that for today. Noon sana. Thanks po. You're welcome. Adrian Balboa. Sir, paano po mag-fund sa eToro? 80% mo lang account ko sa eToro pero gusto ko mag-fund sa eToro para magkapag-trade na po ako. Why is it 80%? Adrian, can you email this guy, jeffgu@etoro.com. He's the dedicated support for Philippines na mga accounts. He's the account manager for Filipinos. Marami po yan sila. But email this person. Someone might contact you. Huwag mo pong ipa-fund na hindi pa kompleto ang account mo kasi ibabalik nila yan sa iyo ang pera mo. Okay? G. Fernandez, Idol, I open account with your link at eToro. How long is the verification process? If ever full na kayo, it's 3 business days pero usually within 2 to 3. Kung 100% or 90% na yan, verification na lang ang kulang. Madali na lang yan. Kung nag 90% na yan, lagyan nyo ng pera, mapaprioritize kayo. 2 to 3 days po yan. G. Fernandez, what do you use in funding your eToro as well? I'm thinking of PayPal for some level of protection. I hope I won't have any issue. There is no issue so far with eToro. Wala tayong naririnig na problema with withdrawal and security purposes. Right? Sa sobrang milyon na clients ni eToro, very secure po yan. Tagal na kasi ni eToro dito. So, there's no problem actually. I use my debit card there. Wala namang problema. Good morning, sir. T po, please. From Weng Sanan. Binilisan ko lang kayo kasi malapit na mag 9 o'clock. We're gonna end at 9 o'clock. So, this is good for T. Baka mag-momentum ito today. Right? There might be momentum today. So, panoorin nyo po if you know how to do momentum trading. If nanood po kayo ng seminar last week with Mr. Jed Villardo, pwede nyo po i-apply dito yung day trading niya for momentum trade. But us, as newbies, I want you to follow position trading. Here's our position right here, the uptrend line. So, dyan po tayo mag-abang sa baba. Best DIY. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights on MER. MER, nirecommend ko na yan. Ilang beses na noon pa. Dito pa lang yan si MER. Nirecommend ko yan ulit. So, lumilipad na siya. We are already near resistance, so I cannot recommend it anymore today. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's the best entry point. It's either a breakout or this support, right? Ilang beses tayong binigyan ng opportunity sa support. Yan tayo pumapasok dapat. That's why I recommended it there. JFC naman. JFC. Right, si JFC, if this support holds, you can buy. Right? Pag nag-green yan today, you can buy. Okay? No problem with JFC. That's a good company. Medyo pangit lang yung galaw nila sa mga investments nila ngayon kaya bumababa ang sentiments kay JFC. But I think they can reverse it. If we see the numbers, that's the best time to start buying JFC. Ngayon, medyo negative pa sila because of the expenses. Negative 53 for second quarter. Malaking gastos nila for the investments nila. That's okay. Ngayon, I cannot recommend JFC yet. If it goes green, then pwede po nating i-test buy siya. CNPF. Okay pa din po ba si Tech or cut loss na? Nasa support pa naman si Tech eh. Right? If ever dito kayo bumili sa MA20, if you're planning for the MA20 play, follow your system. Right? If na-hit na yung cut loss ninyo below MA20, then dapat nag-cut loss na kayo. Okay? Kasi baka hindi mag-bounce yan sa support at maipit kayo na malaki, mag-investor na kayo niyan. Ellie Flores, good morning sir. CNPF, please. CNPF. Right. CNPF, recommended it here. Diba? I-recommend ko yan dyan noon, diba? Or that's that CHIB. Si CHIB pala yun. I think si CHIB yun. Nasa baba. Ayan. Nasa baba pa rin si CHIB. CNPF, we talked about this a few days back. Lumilipad na siya eh. Right? Because there was a divergence right here. So that was a very good signal. Right now, best to wait for a pullback and bounce na for CNPF. This is a good sign. Nag-break siya na MA20. So, tapos na itong downtrend na ito. Maybe it's gonna go sideways or still gonna go on an uptrend. Pero best to wait for a pullback and bounce. Hi na, Mayona. How about JFC po? Thanks po, Sir Lloyd, from Adrian Balboa. Rafi, hi Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay FNI. Si FNI, maganda ang support ni FNI. So, if you can enter at the support, that's the best entry point. Insights po kay MBT. Sir, si MBT nag-break ng support eh. Pero bodega po ito for me si MBT. Right? So, still at the support area. Bodegahin nyo po yan. If it goes further down, just keep buying more Metrobank. Right? Ganun po ang strategy natin for MBT. Francis Wahilan, good morning sir. Trending si oil ngayon. Madami nawalan ng pera because of the volatility and higher spreads. Totoo po yan. Right? Because of the volatility. That's why I don't want you to trade it. It's a holder's game right now. Investor's game yan. Gusto nyo po mag-hold, then you will hold. If you think it's still gonna go up in the next few days, then that's when you buy. Mahirap po i-trade sila ngayon. As much as possible, don't trade it kasi disabled ang cut loss because of the volatility. Okay, Mark Carrelo, Alhi, Alhi. Ayun, si Anchor Land. Ang hirap basahin ng chart na ito but there's a support right here. Best to enter that support. Good morning, Mama Real 63. Alright, so yeah, I think I've read all the comments. It's already 8:59. Alright, that's it for today. Again, konting ingat to sa market. Foreign investors are gonna turtle up because of the instability that is going on. So that might pull the market back. Nasa resistance po tayo, and then whenever there's resistance, mahirapan po ang market. PSCI, so konting ingat muna sa mga sumasalo sa taas. As much as possible, bodega po ang strategy natin ngayon while there's instability. Sir, saan pwede mag-register sa activity mo on September 29? I have that posted in the Billionaires Club and in my Facebook page. Pinakauna po yan, may register link po dyan. Right? Go to my Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101. Right here, Financial Freedom 101. Let me go to FF 101. Right, sa Financial Freedom 101, pag pumunta po kayo dyan, pinakauna po yan, makikita ninyo, events. This one right here, Financial Freedom 101, go to the event, and then, nasa description po, register right here. Okay, that's the registration form. Okay, and instructions are there. September 29 again, I'm gonna be in Manila. We're gonna be in Ascot Hotel BGC. I'll see you there. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Pasensya na if you're gonna be short for today, okay? And sir, ask ko lang yung tungkol sa Petron. Thanks. I'm not sure what about Petron. Mama Ril, can you send me a message in my Facebook page? Sagutin kita doon. Okay. See you tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye. Same topic lang po ang dalawang session. Same session in the morning, same session in the afternoon. Ginawa lang natin ganyan kasi para mas mura. Kasi pag rinentahan ko po buong araw, same lang. Alright, so at least mas marami po ako matuturuan in the morning and in the afternoon. Okay? Bye everyone!